In today's video, we're going to talk about what happened yesterday. I think everyone has seen a big and unexpected movement of in the cryptocurrency market, especially on other narratives. As you can see, this is the Bitcoin chart in 4 hour time frame, and what I want to talk about is what happened yesterday and what do we expect from what happened and what is next to come. So in today's video, I want to show you what happened to these different narratives. So we all know that Bitcoin, it's like the one which measures or which drives the market. Wherever the direction of the Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies follows. So as you can see, this is, as I said, that this is the chart of Bitcoin within 4 hour time frame, and you can see from yesterday it was about Bitcoin was around 71,000, almost 72,000, and then it dropped. Let me check this. Okay, it dropped. It dropped around. It dropped about 5%, I think, in yesterday's movement. So what I want to show you is that even if Bitcoin has moved down around 5%, other narratives was really bad. It was like a bloodshed in the market. Let's take an example now. Photo. I'll try to show you what is really happening. Okay. This was what I was expecting to happen. As you see, maybe this was not only for one day. I think it was around 2 days, maybe. Okay. Okay. This happened within around five days. Okay, but from yesterday, maybe let's take for one day and try to see what happened. Okay, as you can see, from yesterday it dropped that down around 20. Okay, it moved around 23% downwards. So imagine, guys, we have seen on Bitcoin that it was around 5%, but on this narrative it was about to 23%. Maybe let's take another example, maybe on Jupiter. Okay, let me take an example on Jupiter and try to see what happened. So on Jupiter, I think it all started from this point. Okay, and it shows that it moves down around 17%. Imagine 70% of the total price of this currency, of this crypto coin. So what I want to tell you, it is like we was expecting something to continue going up, but suddenly the market shows something else we didn't expect. But the good news, on all of this movement, as you can see, this is the 4 hour chart. the Bitcoin currently previously has broken this level around this point, and you can see that it went up. Maybe let me try to show you what I was expecting to happen. Okay, and this was not also an unexpected event, but we are expecting the Bitcoin to come to this fair value gap around this point. Let me try to show you this fair value gap. This fair value gap around this point. Okay, then as you see, this was a fair value gap from this point around this region. We were expecting the Bitcoin to move up and then try to come and retest on this fair value gap, which also correlates with this with this breakout of this trend. So you can see that the market was moving sideways. Let me try to show you what I'm talking about. It was making, okay, market was moving like this and then come to this point. Well, we expect to come again at this level, and then after try to come on this again, and then boom, it will continue going up. So this is what we are expecting. But also let me try to move this. It is something that it seems to be a lot of things in the chart, and we don't need that. So okay, then what I was talking about that after Bitcoin, okay, let me do this. Okay, I was saying that after Bitcoin broken this trend line and then it goes up, we were expecting to come and retest this level, and then after the retest it needs to go up until it breaks this level. Maybe if Bitcoin breaks this level, we are expecting to have a new all-time high of Bitcoin. As we all know that in the past few months, the Bitcoin has managed to reach its all-time high, which was around, maybe let me show you. Let me change the time frame to make it clear. Okay, no, not this one. I was talking about, let me use one day time frame. Okay, it is trying to be something fishy. Then okay, I got it. This was what I was talking about. Okay, it wasn't clear, sorry for that. Okay, I think this is clear now. Okay, I was saying that you can see even in the higher time frame, it managed to break this level. Okay, and then it comes back again to retest this level, and then we are trying to make it happen. If we break this level and it goes about beyond this level around here, okay, around this point, we will be making the new all-time high of the Bitcoin. So what I was talking about at this level was, as you can see, Bitcoin is now at this level, and then we are expecting, if it breaks this level, we are getting a new all-time high. And what do we expect? Where do we expect the price to reach for? So in my opinion, I think that Bitcoin will reach around 150,000 dollars. So let me see at which percentage would that be increased from today's price. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Maybe okay, let me try. Okay, it wasn't clear. Maybe I'm searching for 150. Okay, I got it. So I was saying that from this point to around this level 150, this will be around 115 and 17%. So this means that I am expecting that the Bitcoin will have 1x in this entire bull run. But what do we think about the other narratives? The good thing around this, I don't think that we are making money with Bitcoin in this bull run. What I'm expecting from this, I'm expecting that the money will come from the other narratives. Especially, I'm strongly believing that the Solana is one of the big narratives that I'm trying to invest in this bull run. So let me, especially in Solana, I really like to invest in this meme coin of Solana. I mean Pepe. Maybe let me check Pepe. Okay, Pepe. I think this one. I got it. So in Pepe has managed. Maybe let's take let me use a time frame of monthly time frame to see what Pepe was doing in this whole entire month, to show you how strong Pepe or how it is. Okay, I think you cannot see within maybe let's take about 3 months since I think this entire bull run has started 3 months ago, or around I think it's about 4 months. Okay, since the day they announced the Bitcoin ETF, I think it's where all things started. Then let me take from this point to until this level where it has managed to reach far. It is about 507%. This is like 5x within 3 months, or within 4 months. I'm sorry. Imagine, within 3 months, it managed to make 5x. Then what do you think will be within another 5 to 6, or within another 4 to 3 months? Do you think about that? That will be, I think it will be around 20x or something, since we are not already in the good part of this bull run. I think in this coming month, the parabolic movement of the market will start. This is where the traders will all make money. So this was what I was thinking about this Pepe. I'm strongly believing in Pepe. So if you're thinking about other cryptocurrencies or other meme coin to look into, so man, Pepe is something else. You need to keep it into your portfolio. So and that's what I was talking about. And then what I need to tell you is that there is nothing special that was happening yesterday. but the good thing is the Bitcoin was testing this new level, and you all know that wherever the Bitcoin goes, the other cryptocurrencies follows. So that was why I think Bitcoin has tried to it was like manipulating the other cryptocurrencies. So this is why I was talking about this. Then another thing, if it's someone of you or anyone has been trying to trade the smart money concept, you all know that it was Bitcoin has reached the premium level. I think that's why it tried to move down after reaching that level of the premium. Then it tends to move downwards so that it collects some liquidity, and then before it continue to go up. So back into 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, what I'm expecting to happen, I'm expecting that after Bitcoin has retested this level, I'm expecting that it will move around this level, around this somewhere like here, and then it will come back and retest these levels around this point, and then it continues to go up. So I hope this was the end of the video, of today's video. So I would like to tell you to subscribe to this channel.